Hi guys, tonight dinner is laksa. Laksa is Malaysian food. So this is noodle. You see the noodle look like pasta, spaghetti pasta. And the sauce is coconut milk. And we have fish cake, prawn, coriander, and spring onion. That's all I put. Then it's spicy, guys. Let's try. Let's eat, guys. Not so much spicy. Prawn. The prawn so fresh. The noodle.